Virat Kohli, fulminator, and Christopher Gaze.
What an extraordinary cricket match then. We waited hours and hours, hoping to get a game. At one point it looked like the game was gone 5 minutes away from being called off. The ICC said we played till 8:30. That allowed a game to go ahead. And now for Mahendra Singh Dhoni, every trophy in the world in its cabinet. The World Test match number 1, the ICC World Cup, the Champions Trophy, the World T20. After that, a couple of IPLs and Champions Leagues. He's done everything that a captain can. And I think he's now got a team that is genuinely his team. They'll celebrate and well demise. These young people have done really well. They fought hard, they played hard, they played very well under pressure. They might as well celebrate while they can. It's going to be a very, very long evening for them. And an evening filled with much joy. They didn't lose a single match in this tournament, not even in the war.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.